like doing this, right?
They do. Nuts for it. That guy Tuna on the back right, he's 12 years old, and he, from the moment he sees you come out in the morning, he starts barking at you and tearing at the roots, and he flips his house over if you don't take him. So we take
one on the right.
Yeah, we take this team out just so that he can come out. Tuna team.
Quiet when they're running.
Well.
Yeah.